Welcome to Tale Twist, where stories ignite the imagination. Today we are going to listen about Echoes of the Forgotten. Once, in the heart of a mist-shrouded forest, there stood a forgotten village named Evervale. Nestled among ancient trees and veiled in secrecy, it was said that time moved differently within its boundaries, and the whispers of the past echoed through its winding pathways. In Evervale lived a young girl named Elara. With hair as dark as the midnight sky and eyes that sparkled like stars, she possessed a curiosity that often led her to the edge of the forest, where the trees seemed to whisper secrets only she could hear. One fateful evening, as the moon cast its silver glow upon Evervale, Elara followed the mysterious melody of a haunting tune deeper into the woods. Guided by an unseen hand, she stumbled upon an ancient ruin hidden amidst the shadows within the crumbling walls. Elara discovered a forgotten shrine adorned with strange symbols and faded tapestries. Mesmerized by the enigmatic aura that surrounded her, she reached out to touch a weathered stone at the center of the shrine. As her fingertips brushed against the stone, a surge of energy coursed through her, unlocking memories long buried within the depths of her soul. Visions of a bygone era flooded her mind, revealing the tragic tale of Evervale's fall from grace. Centuries ago, the village had been a sanctuary for those seeking refuge from the chaos of the outside world. But when darkness descended upon Evervale, its inhabitants turned to forbidden magic in a desperate bid for power, unleashing forces they could not control. The villagers doomed themselves to an eternity of torment, their spirits bound to the land they had once called home. Forgotten by time, they lingered in the shadows, yearning for release from their eternal suffering. With newfound determination, Elara vowed to break the curse that held Evervale captive and free the souls trapped within its grasp. Armed with courage and guided by the echoes of the forgotten, she embarked on a quest to uncover the secrets of the past and restore light to the darkness that shrouded her village. Through perilous trials and ancient riddles, Elara journeyed deeper into the heart of Evervale, confronting the ghosts of the past and facing the darkness that threatened to consume her. With each step, she drew closer to unlocking the key to Evervale's salvation and fulfilling her destiny as the one who would bring hope to the lost souls of the forest. In the end, it was not magic or might that saved Evervale, but the power of love and compassion that Elara carried within her heart. Through her courage and selflessness, she broke the curse that bound the village and released the spirits trapped within its embrace. As dawn broke over Evervale, the mist began to fade, and the forest echoed with the joyous laughter of the freed souls. And amidst the whispers of the wind, the name of Elara, the savior of Evervale, was whispered with reverence, destined to be remembered for eternity.